Hello, everybody. We're going to post our first item for sale today. We made the jack-o'-lantern boxes, and those have been a big hit on the YouTube channel already. But I'm going to post them for sale. I'm going to show you what I do, and we'll see how long it takes them to sell. We made 4 of them, and so let's get started. The first thing I will do is post them for sale on Marketplace, and you create a new listing. It's an item for sale. When I add the photo, we'll go to the folder, jack-o'-lantern boxes. I will choose the images that I want to use. I'm going to use the original, and the second one, the third one, the fourth one. Then I'm going to put a back and a side and a lit version. So we're going to go ahead and open those up. Those will load up in the program. I'm going to put jack-o'-lantern indoor, outdoor box Halloween decor. You have to put the price. First, let's go back and put the main images we want to use. I'm going to put the back and the side at the end. I'll put the lit version there. So as we scroll through, it shows the 4 that's for sale, and then the picture of them lit up in the back and the side. So I got the title, price. These are the solar panel type. I'll tell you what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go ahead and put them at $25 each. We're gonna go ahead and sell these babies, hopefully. Holiday. Put it as home decor. Condition new. Color. Yeah, there's an orange. Decor style. Let's see if they have. There's farmhouse. I like farmhouse. Material cedar. And the description. I'm going to fast forward through this. I know it's going to be, fast. And it's still going to be sort of slow. It's going to take about a minute. But as I go through on this description, I just put everything I can think about it. I put that it's indoor, outdoor. I put the color. I put that it's got a solar panel, that it's LED, that it can be used year in and year out, over and over again. I just put everything I can think of, and thinking when I'm doing this, I'm considering all the keywords that people might be searching for, and hopefully that if it's in the description, when they search for it, it'll pull up, my item that I have for sale. Okay, that should do it. Available quantity 4. Okay, that should have it. Location, delivery method, local pickup, local meetup. Now, here's the important part. You need to be in all the local groups, the garage sale, buy and sell trade groups. And so as you put it in there, you can put it in 20. So I put it in the closest 20 groups. That's a ways away. This isn't bad. We got my local groups. Let's see, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. That should be ready. Let's look at it. Okay, we got look at the previous. Next. Okay. It looks good. And so I'm going to publish it. It's 7:30 in the morning on October 18th. And we will see how long it takes for them to sell. I'm not going to boost the listing. I'll keep you updated on that. Now, Nextdoor app, never used it before. It's brand new. I just made this. And well, I've used it for a firework business, but just now changed it to Bat Dog Woodworking. And I am going to go to the for sale and free section. Nextdoor app is only showing in your neighborhood. There's only one thing showing for sale here. I don't know if anybody will even see this, but we're going to post it anyway. We're going to add the same photos and do this all over again. Boom, 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 boom. We're going to add those. I'm going to go back to my marketplace. I'm going to pull up my listing. And I'm going to copy everything. I'm going to type in the name. I'm going to type in the description. Just copy and paste it. Select the category, home decor. No. I didn't click on it. Use that location. Pricing is 25. And we're going to wait until everything loads up. All right, we're going to adjust the pictures. And that should be perfect. Click next. I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to post it. Got it. So that's it. It is posted. I don't know if it'll do anything or not. We're going to find out. Also, we have offer up. And to do that, do an offer up, I have to go to my phone. And so I will add that to the video also. So we're going to place it on Facebook Marketplace, post it in 15 different garage sale groups, garage sale and buy sell trade groups. We posted it to Next Door, and we're going to post it to Offer Up. And we're going to see what sells. If I was shipping these, I would add them to Etsy, eBay, Amazon, but these aren't going to be something that I would like to ship. It's just going to be a local sell only. So we're going to leave it on these and see if they sell. We'll see what happens. And so I will update y'all in the comments on when it sells and, you know, the how I sold it, which platform sold it, and we're going to make a little money with that, make another product. So here we go. Out in the Offer Up app is where you have to post. You just do it the same way. You take and have your photos, and you click on select photos. You grab them, you stick them in there. This one puts them in the order that you click on them, and then you do the same thing. I go to my original ad that I put on Marketplace. I grab the title and I put it in the title field so I don't have to type it again. And then you just keep going through as prompted. You know, they add the category. I left the category the way it was. I changed the condition to new, changed the color to orange, and I could have put the finish on there and all that stuff. But then I just go in there and back to Facebook, grabbed the description, added it in there, corrected anything that was there, added the price. I clicked on firm on price because I don't like to negotiate. And I put my location in. That's all there is to it. You take and go back to the computer and it'll show you what you added, or you can just look at it through your phone. Okay, well, that got us on to Facebook Marketplace, into some Facebook groups, Offer Up, and the Next Door app. Since it was local, you know, a local sale, that's all what I use. And if it was online, I would add it to Amazon Handmade, and I would add it to eBay, and of course Etsy. And so that's how I do it. If you want more detailed explanations, I can surely do that for y'all. Just let me know. But we're going to see, you know, if they sell. We've got 4 of them. They're all different. We'll see how that works out. But I will update you in the comments if and when it does sell. Just remember that whenever you add it to these Facebook groups, these garage sale and buy sell trade groups, it takes a while. They don't instantly go on in the groups. The moderators have to approve it, and so it may be a couple days before it gets into groups. And so it's not like it's gonna, you put them on now and you have a big possibility of it selling within a minute or two, because it won't be even on the groups for, you know, hours to days. And so it takes a little bit. So make sure you put your listings on as soon as possible. That way you can flip them as soon as possible. So that's it. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, hit the bell, all that stuff. I surely appreciate it. And I will update y'all as soon as I have some information. All right, go build something. Be great today.